Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to completely uninstall Roblox as well as Roblox Studio in Windows. So let's get started. First thing, just come here to the search and type control panel, open it, and here click on programs, then programs and features, and you'll be having here a search option. Just type for RO. We'll be having the Roblox thing over here. Right click and uninstall. So now as you can see here, Roblox has been uninstalled, but Roblox Studio is still there. So now let's see how we can uninstall this as well as delete the unnecessary files. So now just go to search and type for Roblox. We'll be having Roblox Studio app. Select open file location and again right click and open file location. We'll be taken to this Roblox folder. Click on here, click here. So this is going to be the path we are having Roblox. Just right click and delete, and that's it. And now if I open Roblox Studio, it just says missing shortcut. Just click on yes. So that's the video guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.